Hi everyone, it's Jean from the Inky Owl Studio. Thanks for stopping by today. I really do appreciate you joining me. I have a journal share for a traveler's notebook. And if you enjoy this, please consider subscribing and liking this video and sharing it with someone else you think that might enjoy seeing a bee journal. And who doesn't like seeing a bee journal, right? So I'm using the Artymaze kit, beautiful kit. And on the front is a little charm. It's removable. And there's a little pocket on the side here with a couple little journaling cards. I love this journaling card on the side of that. And it is double-sided, well, it's doubled cardstock. So it's a nice firm cover on it, and I've sewn stitched all the way around. And it has an elastic band closure, which is it's really quite handy. To have that. And there's plenty of room to increase more ephemera that you might have inside here. Here is a pocket on the side with a large journaling tag. I've stitched around there as well. And here's a bookmark I've included that you can use either in this journal or you can use somewhere else. Excuse me. There's a little tiny journaling card stuck in the side. I've gone through and done some stenciling. Some of the stenciling is in lavender, distress ink lavender with these roses, and some of it is with a honeycomb pattern. Here we have another large tag that I've stitched around, put a little topper on it, and an altered window pocket. A cute little card there that I've also stitched around. So I'll just stick that back in there. So cute, little bee and ladybug walking together. There we are. And lots of room for writing and putting in your own memorabilia. Here's a vellum belly band. A couple more cards stuck inside there. Some more honeycomb. I got some tea stain paper plus digital paper in here, sort of a mix. Some ledger paper. There's music paper I made a pocket out of. There's a bit of a lace trim there on the side. Love this page, all these little bees and the honeycomb. This is from a vintage book on flowers. Glassine bag with another card stuck in the side. Here's the middle. I like to include an owl charm for my Inky Owl from my Inky Owl Studio, and this can be cut off and used somewhere else if you'd like, and you can snip it down pretty close because it's knotted there. And here is another journaling card. Some parchment paper. I love the feel of parchment paper. Up here in this tuck is a little booklet. Got some random little pages. Put little notes in. Perfect for your purse if you want to take something and make notes in. Here's a flip out envelope. A couple more little cards stuck in there. You could do some writing here as well. A little secret place. I really like how the lace coordinates with that. Here is a bag tag. Flips open. The tag on the inside. You could journal on the back, and then inside the bag is another tag. I have directions on how to make this bag tag. I will link that down below in case you're interested. And coming to the end, one more bag tag, and this is with a glassine bag, which is kind of fun because you can see through. Some more little journaling cards there, and some more here. You can journal on the back. Okay, and there's a pocket at the very back of it with my Inky Owl Studio label. And that is the bee journal. Thank you so much for viewing this. It will be in my shop if you are interested. And I've got more. I've got another spring journal that I'm working on. Oh, one more thing is I will include a bag of journaling tags and little bits and pieces of you know, some of the paper that I used in there, so that you can kind of have fun and use these where you would like. So that comes along with the journal. So we'll talk to you later. Bye.